Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on and lock with fingerprint on your WhatsApp app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your WhatsApp app. All you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this sign here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this, and you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, and all you have to do now, you just click here on privacy, then it's going to take you here in this window or privacy window. You go down here and you come here to fingerprint lock, you will click, then it's going to take you here in this window. You come here to unlock with fingerprint, you will click here on this sign, and like you see now, it's going to show for you like this, and you add your fingerprint, and it's going to add with you. So I'm going to add it. uh, if you just add it on your phone, and I think it's not working. So if you add it on your so I think it's not working now. But if you add it in your phone, and it's going to add with you on your fingerprint here, it's going to turn on with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.